What I wish my family knew about my mental health is that even when a safe space is provided or created, it means nothing if it's not absolved from judgment. So try not to push and pry and let conversation come naturally.
I wish that my family would stop asking me, "How was your day?" Because it's a very generic conversation starter that often makes it difficult to share anything that wasn't pleasant or wasn't great. Doesn't lead to very interesting conversation. Instead, I wish that my family would ask, is there anything that was difficult today? Or alternatively, anything that was really great today?
Just try to understand how I might feel in my emotions, especially as a young teenager, because I feel that older people, such as my parents, don't understand how difficult kids like me and my emotions are and how to respond to them.
What I wish my family knew about my mental health is that when I say I'm fine, I'm not really, and I feel very weighed down, and I would like people to understand that.
When I say I'm fine, I actually mean I need someone to talk to, or I need somebody to talk to me about my feelings, someone I can communicate with, connect with, and somebody that basically has the same problems as me.
When I say you fine, you just put on a smile for other people, but you're really not.
When I say I'm fine, what I actually mean is that there's some things that I might not want to share with you, not just yet, because I don't feel comfortable sharing it with you. You know what I mean?
When I tell other people I'm fine, typically for me that either means that the things that are stressing me out and weighing on me are not large enough or heavy enough to bring to other people, such as family members or friends, or they feel too heavy to discuss, and that can make me uncomfortable wanting to discuss them.
Something small that my family could do to make a big difference is just letting me work through everything by myself, because I'm more of a lone person. So I'd rather do everything by myself before I think about maybe I'm ready to talk about this in front of people or in front of a person. I would feel more comfortable opening up to my family when we all just have that little moment where everybody just talk about how they feel, or just had that one little moment where everybody can just sit there and explain everything, have a whole breakdown about everything.
It's not something that just flares up once and goes away. It's not like a physical illness where you could, you get a cold and then a couple of days later you're fine. Mental health is an ongoing thing that I deal with on a day-to-day basis. And I want them to understand that it's not just a one-time thing. It's a continuous thing that goes over my whole life.